Danang, the seaside paradise where the unique dishes of North, South and Central Vietnamese flavours collide. This is part 1 of our epic food tour, what to eat and where to eat it. Get ready for the best of Vietnam right here. So subscribe now and let's go! This noodle dish is incredible! I'm in the heart of Danang, where I'm about to try an excellent Mi Quang, a central Vietnamese noodle dish at a Michelin-recommended restaurant, Noodle. Originating from the Quang Nam province, Mi Quang, traditionally enjoyed by farmers, embodies the spirit of the friendly central region. Just look at these turmeric-infused rice noodles, golden and inviting. As we take our first bite, the noodles are perfectly chewy, blending seamlessly with tender beef and savoury marinated egg. And that broth, light yet packed with umami, complex layers of flavour. Just the right amount to soak the noodles without overwhelming them. A quick squeeze of lime and add hand-picked herbs, giving a burst of fresh flavour, while the crushed peanuts bring a delightful crunch. Sitting here surrounded by the tranquil atmosphere of this secluded spot, every bite feels like a moment to savour. I don't want this bowl to end. If you're in Danang, a visit to Nudo for Mi Quang is a must. It's superb.
Hey taste buds! I'm in central Vietnam, so trying a regional classic, Bun Bo Hue, at highly rated local gem of a restaurant. This noodle soup originates from the former imperial city of Hue, dating back to the Nguyen dynasty, and beautifully blends flavours and techniques from the royal court, making it a beloved dish across Vietnam. I ordered the dak beef or house special, and wow! It's packed with various cuts of tender beef and some delicious fatty bits. The broth is light yet bursting with flavour, mildly spicy with a perfect sheen of fat that clings to your lips. Every slurp is a delight and I can't get enough, it's addictive. The experience here is superb. The friendly staff really elevate the atmosphere, and the vibrant colours and aromas make every bite even more enjoyable. It's comfort food at its finest. To top it off, I tried Bun Mam. These little parcels are steamed chewy rice cakes and packed with flavour, combining shrimp and meat in a delightful wrap. Together with Bun Bo Hue, it's an unforgettable meal. So if you're in Danang, make sure to stop by and indulge in this amazing food.
Can you smell that? Marinated pork grilling outside my window in Danang. It's the perfect wake-up call. It always makes me want to jump out of bed, grab a coffee and head out for breakfast. So today, it's Com Tam, a beloved dish with roots in southern Vietnam. Originally made from broken rice, a byproduct of milling, this dish turned into a cheap staple, so it's perfect for a meal on a budget. The highlight here is the juicy, smoky pork ribs, marinated in a mix of garlic, sugar and fish sauce. The sweet and savoury flavours blend perfectly, and that grilled char adds an amazing depth. I've paired my Com Tam with a fried egg and some siu mai, Vietnamese meatballs. But remember, Com Tam can be enjoyed at any time of the day.
It's freshly grilled and it's sweet and savoury,
making it the ultimate comfort food. With each bite, the soft chewy rice mingles with the rich pork, and that tangy Nuoc Cham sauce, it adds a fiery zesty kick. It's a breakfast that warms the heart and fills the soul. So whether it's your first meal or the last of the day, Com Tam is a delicious experience you don't want to miss when you're in Danang.
Ruth's Chris Steakhouse could never. Hey taste buds, welcome back. It's breakfast, so time for a sizzling plate of Vietnamese deliciousness. Bonnet. Picture this, a hot sizzling beef dish that practically dances and bubbles in front of you. What's not to love? So bonnet isn't just any dish, it's got its roots in Vietnamese French colonial days. Think sizzling beef meets baguette. It's like the sizzler and Vietnam had a culinary love child. And now it's a breakfast superstar here in Danang. Check out this marinated beef. It's soaked in a mix of soy sauce and garlic, then cooked right on this hot plate, sizzling away like it's trying to steal the show. And let's not forget the fried egg on top. Hello, breakfast heaven. And what's this? A banh mi, the perfect partner for our sizzling star. Seriously, who needs forks when you've got this crunchy goodness? Let's dip right in. The beef is juicy and savoury, perfectly paired with a creamy egg. It's like a flavour explosion. And the fresh salad adds a nice crunch, a palate cleanser. It's a full-on flavour party in my mouth. Eating bonnet is an experience, sizzling, crunching and a little bit messy. But hey, that's what makes it fun. So if you find yourself in Danang, don't just stop for the sights, come for the bonnet, and make sure you bring your appetite.
Welcome to Danang, Vietnam, where the sun shines as bright as the flavours. Today we're dining at the Michelin-recognised restaurant An Thoi, a stunning spot with mustard-coloured walls that feels like a warm hug from the past. Let's dive into some traditional central Vietnamese dishes that'll make your taste buds do a happy dance. This place is a feast for the eyes with its cosy charm and intricate wooden accents. It's like stepping into a culinary time capsule. First up, Ban Sao. It's the ultimate Vietnamese pancake. Crispy on the outside, filled with shrimp, pork and bean spreads, and served with fresh greens and herbs. Wrap it up in the beautifully presented rice paper. It's like a crunchy taco, but with a Vietnamese twist. Just wrap it up and dive in. The crunch, the freshness, the explosion of flavours, I'm in love. Next up we've got Ban Louie. These adorable rice flour rolls are filled with savoury grilled pork and served with fresh herbs. They're like the cool cousins of sausage rolls. They're rolled up tight and ready for a flavour party. Just dip them in the tangy sauce and it's a flavour explosion in your mouth. Herby, rich and porky, it's like a flavour hug, but way more delicious. So whether you're a foodie or just here for the gram, An Thoi is a must visit. This place serves up more than food, it's an experience that wraps you in the warm embrace of Vietnamese culture. You can almost hear the whispers of history as you indulge in these delightful dishes. Hey friends! Today we're exploring the delicious world of Bun Mam, a must-try dish here in the central and south of Vietnam. Bun Mam is a flavourful Vietnamese noodle dish from the Mekong Delta, known for its rich, savoury fermented fish sauce broth, mixed in with chewy spaghetti-like rice noodles and topped with fresh shrimp, catfish, pork and a medley of herbs. I've gone for the dry rather than soupy version today. Imagine the taste. A savoury, slightly sweet umami explosion. Not particularly fishy, more balanced with fresh aromatic notes. Now it wouldn't be Vietnamese if you didn't get a bowl of fresh herbs, veggies and limes. So you can customise it to your liking. And the best part, you can enjoy this delicious bowl for around 35,000 dong. That's about $1.50, an absolute steal. So next time you're in central Vietnam, don't miss out on Bun Mam. It's a tasty taste of tradition you won't forget.
It's time to get up because we're in Danang, baby, where the sun usually shines bright, but the food is even brighter. Today we're diving into a delicious bowl of Mi Quang at one of the best local spots in town. You've already met the resident shop mascot, so it's time for some central Vietnam noodle magic. This dish, developed by the Cham peoples, has turmeric-infused noodles, succulent grilled pork and a rainbow of fresh herbs. It's a feast for your eyes and your taste buds. Each bite is a savoury, zesty but light delight, with just a hint of crunch from the peanuts.
It literally melts.
It's a kaleidoscope of flavours for the taste buds, harmonious. This Mi Quang is a perfect example of what the dish is all about. Comforting, fresh, light and utterly delicious. If you're ever in Danang, don't just come for the food, come for the rooster, the laughs and a bowl of Mi Quang that's worth clucking about.